Our project aims to strengthen the capacity of midwives across Asia and Middle East to improve maternal and newborn healthcare in the region. Maternity Foundation works in low and middle income settings with diverse cultural, political, and healthcare landscapes. The primary beneficiaries of the Safe Delivery Plus program are the members of the midwifery associations in 8 countries across Asia and the Middle East under Midwives Alliance Asia. The indirect beneficiaries include midwives in these countries. Safe Delivery app is a free online and offline tool that supports midwives in making informed decisions during routine and emergency care, while enabling flexible, self-directed learning suited to their daily work. Accredited in several countries, it also serves as a formal CPT course and can be used towards license renewal. There is an average improvement of 24% in knowledge, 22% in confidence, and 65% in skills in managing obstetric and neonatal emergencies among healthcare professionals. The app can reach users working in remote areas where connectivity is a challenge, and all content can be adapted to local culture and national guidelines. It therefore complements existing guidelines, training curricula, and teaching methodologies. To address connectivity challenges in remote areas, the app was designed to function fully offline. Once downloaded, ensuring midwives can access clinical guidance anytime. Adoption barriers such as digital illiteracy, CPT accreditation, complexities, and sustained user engagement were addressed through hands-on training, collaboration with national stakeholders, and in-app reminders to promote continued use. Our immediate next steps include engaging Midwives Alliance Asia and selected midwifery associations and develop a comprehensive country-specific training plan. We envision that the project will support long-lasting professional development for midwives by having trained midwifery leaders from 8 countries. We applied to ODES because we appreciate your commitment to advancing innovative and sustainable e-health solutions for underserved and vulnerable populations. We hope this opportunity will strengthen our visibility, foster strategic partnerships, and support us in scaling our solution more effectively.